Welcome back to our vlog! So ngayon, pupunta po kami na Abu Dhabi to watch
Coldplay
concert!
concert!
Yes. So ngayon, nag-stop over lang
muna
kami
sa
last exit. Mad Max
CR break, guys.
Team. Plus, may mga food trucks and all.
So, bibili kami ng coffee muna. Yes. Bago mag-drive ulit. Kasi mga 1 hour, 30 minutes pa yung papunta. Pero mag-o-ocular muna kami dun sa bus stop kasi wala daw parking available dun sa venue para hindi
Siya? Park and ride.
Oo, traffic. So, ipapark mo yung kotse mo, tapos sasakay ka ng bus going to the venue. So, titignan namin ngayon para bukas hindi na kami magmamadali or hindi na kami, baka kasi maligaw pa kami, hindi kami sanay sa Abu Dhabi.
Yes. So, ang plan namin, we'll check in sa Bab Al Nujum. Papakita din namin yan later. And then, go play.
Yes.
So, come with us in Abu Dhabi.
Let's go!
Hi, parents! Mom and Dad!
My daughter with the
Yes! With the bags!
Hello, ito si Trisha bumili ng chicory. Ito na pala yung sinasabi ni Mami may sabaw.
Oo.
In fairness, masarap siya na wrap. Anong flavor nito?
Caesar wrap.
Caesar wrap. So, natitikman mo, nalalasahan mo talaga yung pagka, niya, smoky.
Masarap. Ubus na po yung
Pagka-smoky
akin.
niya. May flavor na parang grilled siya na pero hindi siya grilled.
Yummy.
Malaki yung size niya. Sulit.
Yes.
So, try nyo to. Chicory.
Chicory. With fries. And then we bought also Arabica, of course, because coffee is life. So,
Now,
ayan.
on our way to Abu Dhabi.
Snack muna kami. Bago diretso sa Abu Dhabi kasi medyo gutom na kami. Hindi pa kami kumakain ng
Lunch.
meal. Nag-bread lang kami kanina. Nakikinig ng Coldplay! Guess we're going Chris Martin!
Ang ganda yung feedback so far nung day 1 nila ng concert.
So excited!
Day 2 kami a-attend.
Yes.
Ayan, samahan nyo kami.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you go there was never an honest word, and that was when I ruled the world.
Mommy! Pwede ba lumabas yan? Ganda. I think pwede. Very nice.
Welcome drinks po.
Oh, may pa-welcome drink. Thank you. Hello everyone!
Ayun, sunset oh. Ayan.
So nag-check-in na kami, then now papunta na kami sa aming tent.
So it's like a camping resort.
Yes, it's a glamping resort.
So ang tagline nila is Pub Al Nujum, love life outside.
Yan. Sakay kayo ng buggy para mapunta kayo doon sa tent. Ayan. Ganda oh, sunset na guys. Medyo late na kami nakadating.
Wow. Welcome.
This is it.
Huh?
Oh, this is it! Oh my God! Nakakatawa! Oh, it's very far guys. Nakakatawa! Oh my God, so funny. Wow! So this is our tent. Wow! So awesome! Wow! Then my pool. Look at that view. It's a front beach. Wow, Mami, look! Beautiful sunset!
Yeah, see, you're
Ang ganda ng sunset! Naabutan pa namin. Akala ko hindi na Wow! Ganda dito. Very peaceful ang vibes. Katawa, nagbagi ba kayo? Ang lapit lang pala, my gosh. Nakakatawa. Ang ganda. Ganda oh. Wow. May private pool. Sarap mag-aura dyan. Then, table dito. Let's look inside. Wow. Oh, may kitchen. Small kitchen. Bunk beds. Wow. Another bunk bed. Ang daming. Ba't ang daming gaan? And then, may loft doon. Oh my gosh, ang daming higaan. My gosh. Oh my gosh, ang daming higaan, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doon sa harap, 7, 8. And may AC din. May cabinet. Oh, may small couch dito. Very nice. Kaso ang laki. My gosh. And then, ito po. Ang bathroom. Di ba? Very cozy. Very cozy. Glamping style kasi siya, guys. Oh.
Corridor. Where is it?
Let's up. Let's go up. Medyo masikip ang hagdanan. But look. Ooh, so pretty. Wow. Very pretty, oh. Diba? Glamping. Yeah, tent na tent siya. Then, of course, the balcony. Look at that view. Beautiful. May tambayan pa dito. Wow. That view. Mommy! Wow. Then you can just chill here and watch the sunset. O, diba? Ganda. Ay. Thank you, Lord. Ganda.
ha? Ano kalaki yan?
Daddy! Yes! Ganda, no? Front beach pa, oh. Very private nga. Ganda, oh.
Very nice. Very cool weather.
Yes, then you can watch the sunset, oh.
Sunset. Oh, ganda.
Ganda. Yun yung tent namin. Ang ganda-ganda, oh. You like it here, Daddy?
Oo, ganda dito. Relaxing.
Yes.
Saka sariwa yung hangin.
Yes.
Oo. Malamig.
Curie. Hi, ganda dito. Look at the sunset.
Oh.
So stop. Stop. Ang katao-tao. Mabato. Lamig. My gosh. Super lamig. Yung nagalaw ko na. Then the other side, clean my tent.
Sa inyo to? Sa inyo to?
Opo, kasi
Yun. Wala po kami ng mga lulutuin. But first, let me show you the kitchen. So, fully equipped siya. Yan ang mini ref nila. Ano ba to? Ay, hindi na open. Oh, see. Mga gamit sila dito. Lutuan. Then, may mga plates. Bowls. Then the cups, ayan. Very good. Yan. Dito yan. Ito. Yan mga coffee. Mga yan. Kettle. Daddy, sa atin ba to o dito?
Natin yan.
Oh. Yun. So, kung magluluto kayo, magdala kayo rice cooker. Then, ayan. Sina, oh.
see. Oh,
Bye-bye. Ganda, oh. Daddy! Ate! And si Mommy na super busy. Ganda dito ah. Very calm feels. Ganda dito for Barkada and team building. Wow. Then meron silang water activities. Yung lobby and I think restaurant. Very nice. Ganda dito. Mga duyan-duyan pa. May cinema pa, oh. Then I think this is for bonfire. But hindi pa naka-sinte. Ganda, oh. Masyadong tao. Very nice. I can also swing there. Oh, may pa-swing pa. Beautiful. Enjoying si Daddy ah.
He's supposed to come today. He's in the current roster.
Cutie! Wow.
Trabaho.
My gosh.
Rice day was given to him.
Daddy, ika dito.
Okay. Go! Yes, Trisha! 1, 2, 3! Okay! Yes! Yay!
Ang sarap mag-swing!
Ayan po si Trisha, nagsiswing po siya dito sa Bulb Al Najum, Abu Dhabi City.
Ito po ay dagat.
Likod niya ay dagat, kasa madilim na. Yan o. May cinema siya, outside cinema. Ayan o, si Mami. Ayan si Ate. May mga tawag na mga staff, may mga issues.
She admit no. Just
Ayan, ayan sila. We're here in Abu Dhabi. Ito yung nag-enjoy ng todo. Ayan, mga kapatid. Ayan. Yehey! Okay.
Tama na yan. Cutie! Ayun na po si ate. Nag-enjoy na rin sa swing. So nice. Enjoy ka, te. Cutie.
Dati tumatayo pa ako sa swing ng bata ako.
Aga. Daddy, ingat ka. Baka mahilo ka dyan. Ganyan ka lang, baby swing lang. Curie. And Daddy enjoying. Curie. Daddy, makawahilo ka ah. Cutie.
Tama na.
Ayaw mo ng ano? Tingnan lang doon. Tingnan ko lang kami lang.
Daddy talaga. Mami, nagpapapansin oh. Mami, nagpapapansin. Hindi ko pinapansin, Dad. Mami! Ayaw ka talaga pansin ni Daddy. Daddy! Rabahan and asway.
Wala, busted to, busted.
Busted ka na, busted. Ang kulit. May playground pa pala dito, guys. Hindi ko siya napansin kanina. Nice. Going back to our room.
Okay, kamusta yung ano, dipping pool?
Sobrang sarap, ate.
Anong
It's
feeling?
warm.
Seryoso ba?
Super warm for the
For the winter?
winter.
Oo, talaga. Masarap. Gaano ka lalim? Tayo ka.
Height
Ah, medyo malalim din pala siya.
hanggang leeg ko.
Oh, okay.
Come join! So, ayan po ang aming dinner. Nagluto ng hotdog. May kanin kami. And of course, Daddy cook adobo. So yummy. And then, Ate is making some
Lucky me.
Lucky me bulalo. Sarap ng dinner. Kain po tayo. Having dinner now.
Hello. Sarap ng ano.
naman kasi bala ang pangalan yung kakain ka.
Hindi ko kasi.
Hanap.
Tingnan akong adobo.
Ito. yung sa vlog kasi nagsasayawan din eh.
Ah, kaya.
Ano ba yan, Dan? Ano ba sayaw to?
Sayaw akong lolo.
Sayaw ng lolo't lola.